Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, introduce myself. My name Haris Putra Perdana from Tour and Travel Business Gajah Mada University. Uh, Here I will present about the immigration in New Zealand. Uh, New Zealand is an island nation in the Southwest Pacific Ocean. Approximately 1,500 kilometers southeast of Australia, across the Tasman Sea, and approximately 1,000 kilometers south of the Pacific Island countries, namely New Caledonia, Fiji, and Tonga. Okay, next. The New Zealand entry regulation. First, passport validity for travel to New Zealand. The passport must be valid for 3 months on leaving the destination. And the second, NZ, NZETA visa. Third, around the trip ticket. Evidence of accommodation arrangements. And the last, travel insurance. Uh, Type of visa in New Zealand. NZETA, it's mandatory for citizens of 16 visa exempt countries to obtain a NZETA online before traveling to New Zealand. Only Australian citizens are exempt. Even Australian permanent residents are required to obtain a New Zealand electronic travel authorization or NZETA. Citizens of other countries who cannot enter without a visa can apply for a visitor visa to New Zealand. New Zealand visitor visa. This this is the most common visa for those who need it. Only people from visa exempt countries should apply, as well as travelers from visa exempt countries who wish to stay in New Zealand for more than 3 months. Next, New Zealand student visa. New Zealand student visa. Uh, this is the most common visa for those need it. Only people from visa exempt countries should apply, as well as travelers from visa exempt countries who wish to stay in New Zealand for more than 3 months. Next, New Zealand work visa. If you are interested in getting a job in New Zealand, you need to apply for a work visa. For your application to be approved, you usually need a job offer, and your job field must be on the skilled occupation list. And the last, New Zealand resident visa. Those with a New Zealand resident visa have the same rights as citizens. You can work, study, and live in New Zealand indefinitely. As you can see, there is more than one type of New Zealand visa. You should apply for the one that best suit your circumstances. Next, uh, duty-free allowance New Zealand. Tobacco limit restricted to travelers 18 years and over. one of following: 15 cigarettes, 15 grams of tobacco or cigars, or a mixture of all three weighing not more than 15 grams. Next, bringing alcohol. Restricted to travelers 18 years and over. 4.5 liters of wine or beer, 3 bottles of spirit or other alcoholic beverage, each bottle containing a maximum of 1,125 liters. Next, cash limit. There are no restriction on the importation of fund into New Zealand. Fund of $10,000 New Zealand or more must be declared on a border cash report. The last, other goods. Personal cameras and accessories, binoculars, portable musical instrument, portable radio receivers, cellular or mobile phones, laptop and accessories, baby carriage and strollers. Next, custom in New Zealand. Some items are prohibited, which mean you cannot bring or import them into New Zealand. There are some prohibited items that require approval to import or export. Equipment for smoking or using drugs, some firearms and weapons, small high-powered magnets such as buckyballs, anything you plan to use in a crime involving dishonesty. Maybe that's all I can say. If there are any mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you.